In this last segment, I answer the question that everybody wants to know after covering the elements in the periodic table. Which do I expect you to know? I certainly don't expect you to know all of them. Most chemists don't know all of them. And I don't necessarily expect you to know their positions in the periodic table, although with time you'll come to know much of that. On exams, you'll be given a periodic table, but without names. First of all, the first 20 elements for sure you should know. So I'm marking these, starting with hydrogen, helium, going to period 2, everything in period 3, and at least the first 2 in period 4. So first 20 elements. And then beyond that, I expect you to know all the alkali metals, except the heaviest, which is not that important. So that adds to this list 2 more elements, rubidium and cesium. I don't expect you to know the last one. Similarly with all the alkaline earths. That adds strontium and barium, and we won't worry about the last one. All the halogens, again, except for the heaviest one. So I add to the list bromium and iodine. And all of the noble gases. So besides the 3 that I have so far, krypton, xenon, and radon. And then of the rest of the elements, generally follow the rule that if you've heard of it before, you should know it. You should know its name. You should know the name and the symbol that goes with it. So I'll try to mark some of these for you. Certainly everybody's heard of chromium. Not sure about manganese, but maybe iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, certainly. Germanium, arsenic, you've heard of those. Not much in the next period, but you probably heard of silver, maybe cadmium, and you've certainly heard of tin. In the next period, tungsten is one that you should have heard of. Platinum, gold, mercury, lead. Those are ones that you should have heard of. And then within the inner transition metals, I'm sure that nobody in the class has probably ever heard of something like dysprosium or any of these in the lanthanide series. Within the actinide series, we do get some elements that are important in nuclear chemistry, particularly uranium and plutonium. I would say that pretty much covers the elements that I expect you to know. And if you follow the last link in this series, which is to Tom Lehrer's famous Element song, you will know a lot more than that.